Welcome to the unboxing of the Bajaj Majesty HM01 hand beater. As you can see, it comes in a lovely compact square box with the product picture right on top. It has a 250 watt strong motor and comes with a 2-year warranty. If we flip this over, you can see all the product details mentioned right over here along with the MRP, the country of origin, the customer care number and the email ID. If we flip this further, you can see that it comes with a 3 speeds and eject button, SS door hooks and SS cake beater. Without any further ado, let's open the box. As you can see, the Bajaj Majesty HM01 hand beater comes with an easy to use instruction manual which lays out all the instructions clearly in English as well as Hindi. It also has a warranty card which gives you 2-year warranty on the product. Coming to the main unit is quite sturdy to hold and relatively heavy, but it has a beautiful black finish and the Bajaj insignia right on top. If you see, it has 3-speed control cum release button. It has 2 air vents, one in the front and one at the back to avoid it from overheating. If you come to the bottom of the unit, you can see the 2 mounting holes which can attach the cake beaters and the dough beaters easily. The cake beaters are ideal to whip up any sort of creamy liquids and mixtures, and the dough beaters are absolutely perfect to knead any sort of dough that you want. Coming to the wire, it has a sturdy long black wire which is quite flexible and can easily fit into any 2-pin socket. So overall guys, I think the Bajaj Majesty HM01 hand beater is going to make a perfect addition to your kitchen and is going to take away all your worries in one go. So that's it for the unboxing of the Bajaj Majesty HM01 hand beater. Stay tuned for more.
Introducing the Philips HR3705/10 hand mixer. The hand mixer has a power of 300 watts and an operating voltage of 220 to 240 volts. It comes with a selection of 5 different speeds plus turbo for a variety of recipes. The mixer comes with a 1.2 meter long cord for longer reach. The cord wraps around and fixes into place with a clip for tidy storage. It is lightweight and features an ergonomic design which makes mixing comfortable and easy. The black hand mixer measures 10.5 by 21 by 19.4 centimeters and weighs 1.08 kilograms. It comes with 2 pairs of beaters in high quality, dishwasher safe stainless steel. The cone-shaped beaters work faster, covering a larger surface area less time and incorporating air into the batter for a smooth fluffy texture. The beaters and dough hooks attach easily with a click and release with one touch of the large clear eject button. The box includes the hand mixer, stainless steel dough hooks and stainless steel strip beaters. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.
Hello everyone, today we will be talking about Philips mixer, but before we begin, let's have a look at the box first. So as you can see, there's a big image of the mixer right over here, and right over here you can see it provides you with 20% faster results. Moving on, you can see it provides you with 300 watt power, it is lightweight and it has 2 years of warranty. So without further ado, let's start off with the unboxing. So as you can see, you'll find a pair of blades right over here. I'll just keep them aside. Moving on, you'll find another pair. There you go. So there's a user manual right over here, and I think this is also a user manual. So there's our main unit right over here. Let me just take it out for you. There you go. So as you can see, it's of a very nice black color, and yeah, you can attach the blades right over here. There you go. So that's all, folks. This is what you will find in the box of Philips mixer. Thank you so much for watching the video.
Comes with a powerful 250-watt motor that mixes ingredients like a charm. It comes with soft grip handles that make handling easy and comfortable. With 7 different speed settings, you will have full control over your mix. It's lightweight and can be easily stored in your kitchen drawer. This multi-purpose appliance will help you in all your stirring, whisking, mixing, beating and kneading tasks. Put on your chef hat and get cracking on delightful